Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the accounting standards. Now today I will tell you about the concept of International Financial Reporting Standard called as IFRS and the need of IFRS. But according to this, the syllabus generally focusing on the Indian accounting standards. But only the concepts and need I am discussing here. So the concept of international financial reporting standards. Now these are the accounting standards which are issued by the International Accounting Standard Board, which may be called as in the short form IASB. I word is for the international, A word is for the accounting, S word is for the standard, and B word is for the board. So it means international financial reporting standards are issued by the International Board, Accounting Standard Board. And now the main aspect is it is recommended to be used by the business globally. Globally word is referring to internationally to produce the financial statements means the final account following a single set of means in the same way by the all the organization dealing with at the international level of the accounting standard. So overall you may understand it is issued by the IASB, and second is recommended at the international level to prepare the financial statement in the uniform way. It means that all the business, those who are dealing at the international level, they should use the same way financial statement accounting standards to prepare the financial statement. So this is a simple concept of the international financial reporting standards. Now I am moving to the need of the international financial reporting standards. They are needed to include the preparing of the few statements. The statements names are the statement of financial positions, referring to the income and balance sheet, and now the statements of comprehensive income and calculating of the various details, and the statement of change in equity. Equity means the ownership investments, and now the statement of cash flow means inflow and outflows and change in cash statements, and the notes and significant accounting system means the usefulness details related to maintaining of the financial statement. It means these statements are based on the financial statement. When the financial statement is prepared in the proper way by using the accounting standards, only that these statements should be reliable. So the need of the international financial reporting standards only to maintain the different statement in the reliable way and the uniformity way, and creditabilities of the accounting system should be increased. So I think these are the knowledge about the concept of the international financials reporting and the need of the international financials reporting. Thank you.